for
apple,
B for
duck,
ball. શું છે આ?
ball,
C for D for
duck,
E for
elephant,
F for G for
duck,
H for
eye,
I for
egg,
J for
doctor,
K for
ah,
okay K for
tiger,
L for
lion,
M for
puppy,
N for
yes,
next very good O for
oh,
orange
hammer,
P for parrot
parrot,
Q for
king,
king R for rabbit S for
dog,
sun T for
like,
train
carrot,
U for
omena,
V for
omena,
V vegetables W for watch
like,
X for xylophone
like,
Y for yellow
yellow.